channel. Today we're diving into one of the biggest AI battles out there right now. Claude AI by Anthropic versus ChatGPT by OpenAI. If you're wondering which one is better, smarter, or more useful for you, stick around. We're breaking it all down. Let's start with the basics. Both Claude and ChatGPT are AI assistants that can write text, answer questions, generate code, and even help with creative tasks like stories or scripts. But they're built differently. Claude AI is developed by Anthropic, while ChatGPT is developed by OpenAI. Here are a few major differences you should know. 1. Philosophy and safety. Claude is built with something called constitutional AI, a method that tries to make the AI safer and more aligned with human values by giving it a constitution to follow. ChatGPT, especially with its GPT-4 model, is also safety-focused but uses reinforcement learning from human feedback. Claude can handle way more information at once. Its latest models support up to 200,000 tokens, which means it can analyze long documents or conversations better than ChatGPT, which is typically around 32,000 tokens. Claude tends to give softer, more cautious responses. ChatGPT is often more confident and a bit more human in tone. ChatGPT is often stronger in code generation, conversation, and creativity. Claude performs well with reasoning and summarization, especially in long-form documents. Right now, both have free versions and both offer premium plans. Claude is available at claude.ai, while ChatGPT is on chat.openai.com. So, which one is better? Well, it depends. Use Claude AI if you work with long documents or need deep summarization, you prefer a more careful and balanced assistant. Use ChatGPT if you want a more creative conversational experience. You need help with coding, scripts, or brainstorming. That's it for today. Let me know in the comments. Have you tried Claude or ChatGPT? Which one do you prefer?